So hey guys, I'm here with my KTM Duke 890R in my brother's garage, and I bought this bike brand new. It's a 23 model, basically with 0 kilometers, and I've done so far with me and my brother about 3,000 kilometers. Works perfectly. So far upgrades have been very important: crash protection, and of course Akrapovic slip-on, and the XL decat was the cheapest and most legal looking one, at least for the price. It was like 200 euros. Only things I had to do, since it was a 23 bike, leftover stock, had to change all the brake fluids to new, and probably next year I'll change the coolant. Otherwise it's been a solid bike, and still on the original tires, but the back one seems to be going away pretty soon. So I just got the Coober kit with the power plate. Oh yeah, also lithium battery, much lighter. What else? Yeah, I have windscreen also for it. I haven't installed it yet. I took it off because I had to transport the bike to the workshop for maintenance, but otherwise it's all good. Bike has still 4 years plus up to 8 years warranty on it if I don't do anything crazy with the bike. But yeah, otherwise pretty good bike. Stock headers, by the way. My brother is working on his Gixxer 750. He's swapping out all the fairings and everything. Say hi.
Hello.
He's ugly as fuck. What else? I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna start to... I watched the video on Coober's website, and it says to take this piece off, and then the plastic over here, there's a cover, and then try to get in there and put the device itself to stick it inside the plastic here. But I have a problem of like trying to find a good solid what is it called? Where is it? Yeah, this wire. I did not see where he put this wire, and I don't think it was a Euro 5 model. It was a Euro 4 model on their website. So it says right there, if you can see, negative. No, where is it? Hold on a second. Battery terminal. But feels like it's too far from there. It's... Let me get the kit. Like, it just feels like it's not long enough to reach the battery terminal. Yeah, because if the thing is here, that's the cable. Well, it's almost there, kinda. Well, I'll have to see, but I'll stop the video for now, and I will get back once I'm ready. Wish me luck. I had to take, well, of course you saw in the previous video, I had to take this off, then this, I had to cut the zip ties on these 3 points, and then of course there was one bolt here, and another one here, and then this one here. So 3 bolts and 3 zip ties, and it comes out. And